Where is my iPad pencil? So for the longest time, I had this setup when I used my iPad Pro. This is the 12.9 inch version, and I had the Apple Pencil 2 that went with it, and I had the Magic Keyboard. I wasn't a big fan of laptops, but this was kind of a happy medium, so I could use my tablet whenever I wanted, but if I ever found myself in a situation where I needed a laptop, I could use the Magic Keyboard. And this worked just fine for a while. As my use of this laptop slash tablet setup kind of diminished and my desktop environment increased in use, this became less and less useful to me. This turned into more of a glorified television that I keep on my kitchen countertop, and this I just kind of quit using. So, you know, I still use this as a tablet, but it was getting a little just too big for what I needed. And I always was kind of interested in the iPad mini form factor, but at the time the Mini 6 wasn't really something that was a super priority for me. But when the Mini 7 came out, then I really started getting interested because I could move off of this kind of larger tablet environment and into the small factor. So I'm not much of a tech reviewer, but I still thought it might be fun to bring the Mini on and all the accessories that I bought with it and unbox it and see what we have. Again, this is not going to be a very technical review because, you know, I'm just a regular person who bought this thing and wants to have some fun with it. Well, anyway, here's my setup for my iPad mini. I've got the mini itself, I got it in space gray, and I got the 256 gigabytes space on here. I got this sage colored folio because everything I buy is always black or dark, so I thought I'd get something a little lighter colored. And this Pencil Pro, this is the compatible pencil that goes with the iPad mini. I'm just going to open this all up piece by piece, and you can follow along. All right, so here we go. This is the we'll start with the do you start with the mini? Yeah, screw it, let's go with the big boy. That's the one we want. All right, so here's the mini itself. It's not very heavy. All right, we got two pull tabs here. This right here to here. I've seen some folks, some like tech folks, get all worked up over things like the wallpaper, like they didn't change this at all from the iPad Mini 6. Like who really gives a crap about that? Not me. All right, here we go. Here's the mini itself. Damn, this thing is tiny. This is really small. Minuscule. Let's see what else is in here. A cord, one of those braided cords, and another plug, which is good. I don't think we're doing stickers anymore, but we'll open up this little container just in case. Nope. Nope. Look inside. Nope. No stickers. I guess stickers are a thing of the past. Okay, pretty nice. Okay, here's my iPad Pro. Here's the iPad mini. That is really small. Maybe two iPad minis worth. So yeah, this is nice. I can hold it in one hand. That's pretty cool. It's almost like a big phone. I mean, at this point, it's probably just a little bit smaller, a little bit bigger than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's get this out of the way. I like the size of this so far. All right, next, let's do the Folio. Okay. So we pull this out. Yep. Okay, so this is supposedly sage. I guess it's pretty accurate to the spice. I mean, it looks a lot like sage. All right, we got some sage. Let's check the color. That's sagey. Now, some people don't like the sage color, but I don't mind it. All right, we'll take this out of the box. This thing is a little too. Wow. Oh yeah, that is nice. Little tiny thing. This is going to be perfect. I can already tell. All right, so now let's figure out how this thing works. Alright, it goes like this. Damn, how do I make this work? This might be further research. Like this. Yeah, there we go. Kind of curls up on its up like this. Or you can do it like this. That works. Okay, cool. Close that back up. And last but not least, the pencil. Designed by Apple in California, but not made by Apple in California. Oh, here's a pencil. There it is. Okay, Pencil Pro. Where's my other pencil? Here's just Pencil 2. Same size. The tips look the same. They feel pretty much the same. Now that we have the Pro version, this is just a toothpick. I mean, of what use is this anymore? Of course, I jest. This still works with my iPad Pro, and I want to keep using it. The iPad has a little magnet thing, so it can charge and store the pencil right here. So I figure, you know, if I was getting a bigger iPad, I'd probably get a bigger case, a more sturdy case, but this one seems nice and cozy for this, so I'm going to stick with it. Some people don't like this color. I like this color. I mean, if you're somebody who doesn't like this color, maybe you can send me the one you like. Anyway, I'm going to boot this thing up, play around with it a little bit, and maybe report back. There's a lot of glare on this, so it's kind of hard not to show all the overhead stuff that I'm using to record this with. Maybe I should shoot this over my shoulder or something, I don't know. Hold it off to the side. I wonder what that'll look like. Hey, there's the camera. Downloading the software update. 94% charge. And you'll get a scale while I'm waiting. How's it coming along, iPad? How much does a 12 Pro Max weigh? 240 grams. Alright, how much does the iPad Mini weigh? And we'll tear it out. Okay. How much do you weigh? Only 50 grams more? That's not that bad. We're in this part where it's just the upload. Alright, it's asking me some more questions. Choose how would you like text and icons to look on your iPad. Okay, low, medium, large. Okay, let's try medium. What does medium look like? That. Large. That's pretty large. Let's go with default for now. I might be old, but I'm not that old. Continue. Quick start. Looking for any nearby devices. Bring your current phone or iPad to sign in and set up. Alright, here's my current phone. Set up new iPad. Continue. Connecting. Waiting for iPhone. Position in the frame of your iPhone. Alright. Got it. Keep this iPad in your iPhone while setting up. Alright. Set up for me. Enter passcode of your iPhone. Well, you guys don't get to see that. Alright, here we go. Data privacy. Continue. Touch ID. Use your fingerprint in place of your passcode or account for purchases. Okay. Continue. Touch ID. Place your finger. It is. This is security stuff you can't watch. Capture all of your fingerprint. Keep going to capture the edges of your print. Okay. Okay, so now I have 2 fingerprints on this depending on the orientation that I'm using it on. Now their typical terms and conditions. Agreed to be the human sent iPad. Signing in. That's my picture. Can you see it? Still signing in. Ooh, transfer your apps and data. Do I want to transfer? Do I just want to skip don't transfer anything? Let's just do don't transfer anything, and we'll do the apps as they come up and we want them. Location services. Okay, fine. Now they can track me. Ooh, this is more secret stuff. Credit cards. I don't need that one on here. I don't need that one on here. Don't need that one. Check out that iPhone mini. Okay, I'm on the iPad. It says I'm back. It says I'm here. So here it is. This is a little iPad. It's just this little thing. What's this jelly scroll everyone always bitches about? I don't see any weird scrolling. You probably can't either, but all I'm saying is I don't see any weird scrolling. I guess there's a little bit of it. Kind of jerky, but as I scroll through here, it's not that big a deal. I mean, it's like, if you're not looking for it, you're never going to see it. My guess is that the people who are going to bitch the most about it are the ones who saw it on the Mini 6. Alright, so that's the iPad. I got two screens on here of just looks like kind of standard apps. Am I doxing myself on here? Doesn't look like it. That's good. So I'll add apps as I need them. I don't know. We're going to play with this. Well, I'm going to play with this for a month or so and see what I think. If I hate it, maybe I'll send it back. If not, I'll keep it. I'm going to learn how to use this new Pencil Pro over time. Maybe I'll make a video on that. Ooh, it's warm. You can tell it's been charging. Oh, shit. Here we go. Try squeezing. Try squeezing. Hover over the screen and squeeze the Apple Pro to quickly access the tools you need. Okay. Yeah, I squeezed and the little menu choices showed up. That's kind of cool. Oh, you can feel a little haptic response to it. Okay, continue. Try scribble. Try writing a few words here. Okay. How about this? Hello world. Wow. I'm not cursive. Hello world, not bad. Okay, continue. Add to Find My. Yeah, for sure. Add to Find My. Sweet. Done. Okay. Now I think I'm done. Thanks for watching.